Computers use binary, a system of ones and zeros, to represent data. Hexadecimal simplifies binary by grouping bits into more readable digits. Imagine writing a whole book in binary. Logic gates perform operations using binary, forming the basis of digital circuits. Boolean algebra is the math behind these operations, crucial for building CPUs. ASCII assigns binary numbers to characters, enabling text representation. The OS kernel manages hardware and software interactions, vital for system performance. Machine code is binary instructions executed by the CPU. RAM holds data and instructions for quick access, essential for running applications. The CPU fetches, decodes, and executes instructions in cycles, performing billions of cycles per second. This process is the heartbeat of your computer. The shell exposes the kernel for command line instructions. Programming languages convert human-readable code into machine code, enabling software development. Variables store data values. Pointers hold memory addresses, crucial for efficient data management and system-level programming. Languages like C require manual memory management. Arrays store items of the same data type in contiguous memory, important for organizing data. Linked lists allow dynamic memory allocation. Stacks and queues manage data in LIFO and FIFO orders, essential for tasks like function calls and task scheduling. Hash maps store key-value pairs for fast data retrieval. Graphs represent relationships between data points, crucial for network analysis. Trees are hierarchical structures. Functions are reusable code blocks, making code modular and maintainable. Booleans represent true-false values for control flow. Loops iterate over code blocks, and conditionals execute code based on certain conditions. Memoization stores results of function calls to avoid redundant calculations. Time complexity measures algorithm performance, ensuring efficiency. Algorithms solve problems step by step. Computational paradigms guide how we write and structure code. OEOP uses classes and objects to encapsulate data and behavior, enabling complex software design. Machine learning trains models to recognize patterns, improving over time with algorithms like neural networks. AI applications range from speech recognition to autonomous vehicles. The internet is a global network. The web uses HTTP to load pages, connecting us to a world of information. HTTP requests enable web communication, HTML structures content, CSS styles it, and JavaScript adds functionality. APIs connect applications. Relational databases store data in tables. SQL queries manipulate data, which is crucial for database management. SQL injection attacks exploit vulnerabilities in queries to access unauthorized data, highlighting the need for secure coding practices. Blockchain provides a decentralized ledger system, ensuring security and transparency in transactions. It's the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Quantum computing leverages quantum mechanics to process information at unprecedented speeds, potentially solving problems that classical computers can't. Imagine your computer running simulations that would take classical computers years to complete in just seconds. Imagine a future where AI can predict diseases before they occur, self-driving cars drastically reduce accidents, and blockchain has potential to ensure transparent and secure elections. Companies are already making strides in these areas, proving that the technology of today can shape a better tomorrow. To recap, we explored binary and hexadecimal systems, the CPU and memory, and cutting-edge tech like blockchain and quantum computing. Did you know the latest Linux kernel 6.7 introduces bcachefs, a new file system that could revolutionize data storage with enhanced performance and reliability? If you found this video helpful, Smash that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and drop a comment with your thoughts or questions. For a deeper dive into programming, check out our other videos on engineering and technology. Stay tuned for more tech updates and exciting news. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content.